Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the Focusrite Scarlett 4th generation and going over each knob and control and the included software. Inside the box you'll find the Scarlett Solo unit, a USB-C to USB-A cable, and a quick start guide with download instructions for the included software. Alright, let's take a look at the front. So on the front panel, there's a 1/4-inch instrument input. This is where you plug in a guitar, a bass, or any other instrument. Above that is the gain knob for input 1, which controls the volume level of that instrument input. Below the gain knobs, you'll see 3 small buttons. Inst, which switches the input between instrument and line level devices. 48V, which turns on phantom power, which is needed for condenser microphones and other accessories like microphone activators. Lastly is air. This adds a bit of brightness and clarity to your sound. Next is gain knob 2, which controls the level of your connected XLR microphone. This is used to set how loud or quiet your mic sounds when recording. In the center is the large monitor output knob, which controls the volume going to your speakers or studio monitors. Then you have the direct monitoring button, which allows you to hear your voice or instrument in real time. Finally, there's a 1/4-inch headphone jack with its own volume knob for personal monitoring. On the back panel, starting from the right, there's the XLR microphone input. This is for connecting your mic. It supports both dynamic and condenser microphones. Next to that are the left and right 1/4-inch line outputs, which connect to your external speakers or studio monitors. You'll also see a USB-C port which powers the unit and connects it to your computer, and above that a Kensington lock slot. Once it's plugged in, you'll want to install the Focusrite Control 2 software, which essentially is a mirror and extension of the hardware, but with a few extra conveniences. Now that I've had some time to actually use the Scarlett Solo for podcasting and voiceover work, I can say it really does deliver clean professional audio. The preamps are quiet, and the air mode gives vocals a nice lift without sounding over-processed. It's plug and play, beginner friendly, and the Focusrite Control 2 software makes it easy to visualize and adjust everything without touching the unit itself. That said, I did notice one thing early on. When I connected my dynamic XLR mic, I had to crank the gain knob pretty high to get a solid signal. It worked, but I was getting close to the upper limit, which can sometimes introduce noise depending on your microphone. To fix that, I ended up getting a mic activator, a small inline preamp that gives your mic an extra clean boost. If you're in the same situation, especially if you're using a gain-heavy mic like the Shure SM7B or the Rode Pod mic, I highly recommend looking into one of these, the Cloudlifter, the DM1 Dynamite, or the Triton FetHead. All 3 are solid options that provide clean, transparent gain and help you get the most out of your mic and the Scarlett Solo. Personally, I went with the DM1 Dynamite, and it made a noticeable difference right away. With the Dynamite connected, I found the sweet spot on the Scarlett's gain knob was between 9 and 12 o'clock. Plenty of headroom, clean signal, and no need to max out anything. The setup gave me a strong, consistent level for voice recording without introducing any background noise or hiss. And that's it for this video. This is everything you need to get you up and running with the Focusrite Scarlett 4th generation. If you're getting into podcasting, voiceovers, or any kind of home recording, this might be the perfect starting point.